Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of multi-image super resolution using deep learning techniques. In this project, we have collected the data set of images and pre-processing next step, and third step is training. Training is done through the super resolution model. Through the GAN, we have trained the data set. After once training part is completed, it will display the high resolution image based on the input image. So, this is the data set. In that we have subfolder like train and test. In this we have multiple images of trained images. This is the images we have collected for the multi-image super resolution. And this is the test image. And once the data set collected, go through the training code. This is the libraries we have installed to run the training code. And the parameters used for to train the images. And this is the generated class where x is the input, y is the output. So once we splitted x and y, reprocess the data set. Here we have splitted the data set into dataset train and dataset valid. After this, it will convert into numpy array. And this is used for to filter the images to get the images into the super resolution image. It will filter the images, and this function is useful to display the loss. And this is the super resolution model where X4 64 is the filter, 32 60, and here we used 4 layers to display the super resolution images. Once the training is completed, it will save the model using net.save. Click on run now. So here the total images is 52. 46 is taken for the training and remaining part is taken as the validation. So these are the layers used for super resolution images. So here I mentioned about 10. Let completion of 10 iteration. The training process will be continued. So next go for the testing mode. Right, open. So these are the libraries we used. And this is for to generate the images, and this function is used for pre-processing, and this is used for filtering the images. And here we loaded the model. Once the training process is completed, the model will be saved. This we are loading the model, and this part is used for to create the GI, and this is used for to create the button. And here we are loading the original images, and after that it will display the enhanced image and super resolution image. And this is the function of first page, that is login window. And after that, when you click on login, it will switch to the upload image. Click on run now. It's the first page. Here you can enter the username and password. Click on login. Here you will get the data set. Here you can select any one of the images. Based on it, we will give the output. Here you can see the original, enhanced and super resolution image. You can check for another image. Can see the difference between original, enhanced, and super resolution. Can give the another input from the trained dataset. Can see the difference between original and enhanced and super resolution.